Guess who just checked in on me? Susan from Carvana.
We'll drive you happy at Carvana.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a hurricane, flood, or tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WABC TV serves the New York area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
I'm thinking, please don't let it be as bad as I think it will be.